Hi there, welcome back to the channel. So today is the day that the MGB GT goes for a little ride. So as you can see, the surrounding looks a little bit different than it has in the past. That's because my wife and I basically using the car dollies moved it from this spot right here, which you might recognize, to that spot over there. Little effort at all. All we did, we got rid of the bikes and motorcycles that normally hang out over here, and just literally rolled it around. So anyway, so first things first, we're gonna go ahead and get the car off the car dollies. Pretty simple. The MG actually is geared up to be jacked. So both tires come up in there at once by the central jack, which is what I did last time. So we'll go ahead and just jack it up real quick, move the dollies. We have the tow bar still attached, so it's sitting right here. We'll attach that to the front, hook it up to the truck, and we will take it over to my friend's house, who will then proceed to weld a new floor into the back where the big giant fuel cell used to be. So, okay, well, let's get this off the dollies. Awesome. Okay, we'll get the tow bar hooked up real quick. No fuss, pretty much just a couple pins. It's been a while since I've used this, I must admit, so it should not be a problem. Okay, see how this goes, huh? Hopefully well. If you like this video, hit subscribe and give us a big like down below. Thanks for watching.